Hello everybody, this is Reggie Patterson and welcome to this week's Tuesday tip. This week I wanted to talk about monetizing, launching, and releasing products as part of your online business.
Monetize, launch, and release. Monetizing, launching, and releasing. Now, in 30 minutes, you're not going to be able to teach someone everything they need to know in a free training. So people shouldn't expect you to teach them everything, and you shouldn't expect to give everybody everything in 30 minutes. What does that mean? It means you need to be placing the whole story into books as an information product. You should be putting it into courses as an information product. You should be putting it into audios as an information product. Things that people can get from you, spend money with you so that they can get the whole story. This is the information you're going to package, you're going to sell, and you're going to release to them on a regular basis. And you're always going to be looking to solve a new problem. So it's not just releasing a new product, it's releasing a new solution every time you do it. And if you can keep up with doing this weekly, then you're going to be in good shape. Now, the way to get started with this as information marketers is to do this on a regular basis. Now, you've got to do this until your customer base grows to critical mass so that you're not releasing on a regular basis. Now, again, you can back up off of that when you've got such a big customer base that you don't have to launch all the time. But really, while you're building, while you are getting in position, you need to be launching and releasing on a regular basis, giving your customer something new to buy, giving the affiliate something new to promote, giving people something new to talk about when it comes to you and your business. Now, eventually, what you're looking to do is you're looking to have people who are paying you monthly, right? That's our goal. That's what we're setting out to do in this business. And if you would like some help getting started, you might want to check out our strategic marketing framework training that my team put together. You can find that at impc.ws/SMF. Also, be sure to check out our Digital Retirement Rebels Insider Club. You can take a look at that at impc.ws/14day. Okay, everybody, thanks for hanging out with me tonight and have a great night. Take care.